In this video, I am going to show you how to install Windows error code 0x7e. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now the first step to repair is manually editing the Windows Res tree to remove invalid install Windows error code. So as you can see, the step next to that you can do is conduct a full malware scan of your PC. And then step number 3, clean out your system junk, temporary files, and folders with this cleanup clean MGR, which is the app that you can do for this. Or you can update your PC drivers just like this by clicking on Device Manager. And then choosing the device drivers that you want to update. Step 5, utilize the Windows System Resource to undo recent system changes. Uninstall and reinstall the Windows Installer program. And step 7 is to run Windows System File Checker SFC scan now. You can do that by typing CMD on your search menu. After that, click on Run as Administrator, then type the command SFC /scan now and then hit Enter and install all available Windows updates and follow the next steps. So you should be all good to go. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.